Let's take a look at this example. I have 7b equals b plus 5. I'm looking for value of b. This time I have b on both sides of the equation. What I have to do first, I have to move all terms which contain b to one side of my equation. I'm going to move this b to the left side. And I'm going to have 7b minus b equals 5. Remember, anytime you will move any variable or number or term to the other side of the equal sign, when the rest of the equation stays at the same positions, you're supposed to change the sign. I had invisible positive sign. I moved to the left side, there's b. That's why I changed that invisible positive to negative. Next, I'm supposed to combine the like terms. I have 7b minus b, which is equal 6b equals 5. 6b equals 5. I'm looking for b. b is multiplied to 6. In order to find value of b, I have to eliminate the multiplication. Okay, and I can do that by dividing both sides equation by whatever is multiplied to b. In this case, I divide both sides equation by 6. 6 and 6 will cancel out, and I have b equals 5 over 6. If you want to verify that your answer is correct, simply replace every b in my original equation by 5 over 6, and I have 7 times 5 over 6 equals 5 over 6 plus 5. Please take a look at the left side of the equation. 7 I can convert to fraction. I'm going to have 7 over 1 times 5 over 6 equals 5, 6 plus 5. Remember, anytime we multiply fractions, we have to multiply numerator by numerator, denominator by denominator. 7 times 5 is equal 35, and 1 times 6 is 6, equals 5 plus 5, 6 is 5, 5, 6. Okay, I'm going to copy the left side, and I have 35 over 6 equals, and I'm going to convert mixed number to the improper fraction. And I'm going to have 6 times 5 is equal 30, and plus 5 gives me 35. So I have 35 over 6. As you can see, left side of the equation is equal to the right side of the equation. That's why b equals 5 over 6 is the correct answer to my problem. Let's take a look at the second example. I have to bring all x's to one side. Now, because I have 5x on the left side and it's positive, and I have negative x on the right side, I'm going to take this one and move to the left side in order to keep terms with x positive. I'm going to have 5x plus x equals 30. 5x plus x gives me 6x equals 30. In order to find x, I have to divide both sides equation by 6. Why? Because I want to eliminate this multiplication. In order to eliminate multiplication, I'm supposed to use division. And I have to always divide both sides of the equation by the number which is multiplied to my variable. So x and x will cancel out. And I have x equals 30 divided by 6 is equal 5. This is the solution to my problem.